Looking to connect with clients in your own backyard or within your time zone for easier collaboration? In this video, I'll show you how to find local jobs on Upwork and leverage geographic proximity to win more projects. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Upwork is a global platform, sometimes working with nearby clients offers unique advantages like shared business hours, cultural understanding, and potential for in-person meetings. Let's find those local opportunities. First, use the location filter in your job search. After entering your search terms, click All Filters and look for the Client Location or Client Time Zone option. Here you can specify countries, regions, or even cities to narrow down your search. Combine location with other important filters. Pair your geographic preference with your desired project length, experience level, and budget range. This ensures you're finding local clients who also match your other professional criteria. Try searching for location-specific keywords. Some clients include their city or region in the job post itself. Try searching for phrases like London-based designer or NYC photographer alongside your regular skill keywords. A crucial pro tip: be strategic about when to emphasize your location. For roles requiring real-time collaboration, cultural knowledge, or potential in-person meetings, mentioning your location in your proposal can be a significant advantage. For fully remote work, focus more on your skills and availability across time zones. Don't forget to check the Local Jobs category in Upwork's specialized talent programs. Some regions have specific initiatives connecting local freelancers with businesses in their area. This can be a goldmine for finding community-focused work. And just like that, you've unlocked the power of geographic targeting on a global platform. Whether you're looking for community connection or easier collaboration, Local Jobs offer unique benefits. If this guide helped you discover nearby opportunities, please give it a like. Have you found success with local clients on Upwork? Share your experiences in the comments below. To work more efficiently wherever you are, subscribe for our next video on how to use the Upwork desktop app. Thanks for watching.